Health benefits of walking. Weight management, improve heart health, stronger bones and muscles, and reduce risk of chronic conditions like heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Regular walking helps burn calories and can lead weight loss or maintenance. Health benefits of running provide numerous physical and mental benefits including improved cardiovascular health, strengthening of bones and muscles, and assistance with weight management. It's also enhance mental well-being by reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression, improving sleep, boosting mood, and increasing self-confidence. Hopping, jumping in one leg is plyometric exercise that can improve your balance, coordination, and lower body strength. It strengthens the muscles in your feet and ankles. Jumping exercise offers significant health benefits including improved cardiovascular health, which strengthens the heart and lungs, and enhanced bones density, which helps prevent osteoporosis. They also contribute to weight management by burning calories and fat, build strength in legs, core, and glutes, and improve overall balance, coordination, and agility. Skipping offers numerous health benefits including improved cardiovascular health, full body muscles engagement, weight loss, enhanced coordination and balance, increased bone density, and better mental health. Slide exercise provides low-impact cardiovascular and full-body strength training that is gentle on joints, improve balance, stability, and core strength, enhance lateral movement and agility, boost flexibility in its convenient way to burn calories, and promote healthy weight loss. Leaping offers significant benefits including increased bone density and strength, improved cardiovascular health, better balance and coordination, enhanced calories burning for weight management, and increased muscle power and endurance. Galloping exercise benefits individuals by enhancing leg strength, improving coordination and balance, boosting endurance and cardiovascular health, and developing rhythm and motor skills. Rolling exercise offers benefits like increased range of motion, improved flexibility, faster muscle recovery, and reduced muscle soreness and tightness by releasing muscle knots and adhesion. It enhances blood circulation, promotes relaxation. Crab walk is a fully bodyweight exercise that offers numerous benefits including building core, strength, improving balance and coordination, enhancing upper and lower body muscles activation, increased cardiovascular endurance, and boosting hip stability and mobility.